Welcome to your Monday, which has already started. Nearly ending now, so hopefully you've had a good Monday. Weekend in the land of Hollywood. Bloody rain coming down. This isn't what I wanted. I wanted to try and paint this weekend. It's gotten cold. I've got the heater on now just to see how much I can heat the garage up by. That's not good painting weather. But it doesn't stop me clearing up and getting ready, masking stuff up, seeing how it is. And what we'll do is we've got the heater, as I said, we've got the heater on, so we can see sort of what temperature we can get this garage up to. Only takes a bit of sun one evening just to come back out again to warm the garage up, and we'll be good to go hopefully. But if not, we're gonna have to think of something else. So anyway, so yeah, need to have a tidy up. A couple of spots of work that I just needed to see that I might as well just do. And then yeah, let's mask up, clean up, hoover up, get as much dust out of it as we can. So we're ready for when the weather's okay and we can just crack on. So yeah, still got bits. I'll put some fill on there, didn't I, and sand down. So yeah, let's sand those down now while we're warming up in here. Those bits aren't feeling too bad. Just going to go over backs of the seats and stuff like that, just a little bit. Oh, I don't think it's going to matter too much, but it's a little bit rough. So it's all under the seats, so I'm not going to go too berserk. That's for sure. Just knock off some of the high spots, so at least it looks a little bit okay. Maybe when it's painted, and take it off a couple of the buns that I got in there with the quality epoxy priming I did. Just got a little bit of fill on the top of this radiator, just sand down, and I'll just mask up the wings just to not get too much overspray, because what I want to do is I want to spray the gutters now, I think. Do I? Yeah. What I'll do is I'm going to mask just on right on that line, that fold line, and then you might see a little line when I put the top coat on, but it's in the gutter. I'd like to just get some, double thickness of paint in the old gutters will be alright. I think I'll be fine anyway. So yeah, we'll mask them up, and then when we come to do the top of the body, we'll mask up the opposite way, so we'll mask up some of this gutter, but then we'll overlap slightly, and that'll be fine down the old channels there, I think. Yeah, I might change my mind. Gosh, and if by magic 3 rolls of masking tape. Take this hinge back out because we'll paint these separately and do something at some point. Not hardly impressed with this, but that'll do for the moment. Okay, let's crack on. that'll do for now. I've just been doing a bit of imaginary spraying. Not that I'm a professional, but sometimes I like to just pretend to spray. And it gives you an idea of where you're thinking of going and how you might stand. Or it sounds like it's a good idea. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Yeah. Oh, let's do a bit more masking in the car. Oh no, slowly getting there with the prep, I think. Just a rear parcel shelf, just to rub down a little bit in the boot and decide if we're doing any masking up around the back here. And yeah, I might just prime a little bit of that off. Get a bit of extra prime on it. Alrighty, a few bits odds and sods, but I think I'm there. I'm just going to have to wait now to see if we can get anything up to temperature today, see if we can do any more. I'll go see the film Bohemian Rhapsody. I'm not going to go see it, I want to see it. It's a mixed views. I do like a bit of Queen, so hopefully that'll be good. Saw my daughter yesterday at university, she's doing really well. So yeah, well done Madison. And yeah, I think we're getting somewhere. I don't know, we'll just have to see how it turns out. I'm not going to video too much of the next steps. I'm just going to hopefully, next time you see it, it'll either be looking like this, or it'll be painted a bit. As I said before, plenty of other YouTube videos out there on how to do painting properly. I'm not brilliant at it. Should get somebody else to do it really, but every time I ask you guys, you just say, nah, do it yourself, Matthew. It's your fault, guys. Blame you. Yeah, anyway, don't forget, giveaway still running. Please enter it if you haven't. Go check it out, should be in the links. If not, 16vmini.co.uk/giveaway. Enter, it's free, you might as well, there's nothing else to lose. And yeah, all good. Everyone have a good evening. Whew.